Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new unboxing and unbagging from GBFKE. This is going to take me forever and a day to get through. So let's just grab one at random. So you guys, as I've been opening these, I've been very surprised because I forgot everything that I ordered. Because I ordered these a very long time ago. And they came in a very long time ago. And then I got other things that I opened instead. And I kind of forgot that I had this package actually. So it was a lovely surprise. I'm having a hard time getting this out. I'm not even doing it on camera. Oh, it's a little tiny one. Oh, look how cute. It's a duck. It's a little tiny special drill 18 by 18 centimeter duck. That is so cute. Let me roll him backward, you guys. All right, so he is super tiny. Now, I don't know how many colors he has here. I see it up to the number 6, but then I see some K's and L's and P's and an X. So we'll see how many colors he has when we go over to the drills. But as you can see, he's like the bubble style. And I've never done one of these before. And I just thought he was so cute. Super cute. So let's just use my cat as an easel. This is not a real cat. This is a stuffed cat. That has been with me since I was 18 years old. So this comes with a regular kit with the green boat, red wax, pink pen. And these are bubble drills. So I believe they should just all be round, right? So I've never done a bubble drill diamond painting before. And let me see, before we keep going, let me see if I can look on the website and tell you how much I paid for this little guy. This was $2.96 Canadian. So under $3 Canadian. For a special drill, a full drill, and a teeny tiny one at that. I thought these drills were open for a minute. Alright, so 6, 7, so it goes to 7, and then it switches to A, B, C, D, E, no E. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow! There are 20 little drill packets for this guy. So let's take a look at the colors. So these are all going to be rounds. I've never done one all rounds before. Like, well, other than like the normal round ones, but like rounds of different shapes, I haven't done. So there's a beautiful kind of turquoisey blue. Isn't that pretty? And yellow. And kind of like a tinge of yellow in there, but not really. Like, what would you call that color? Like maybe just a light yellow. Ginger ale. I'm thinking ginger ale and Sprite. Ginger ale and Sprite. They can be the colors. And we have an orange. And another one in smaller rounds. And another one in even smaller. So we have those oranges in 3 different sizes. And we have pretty little pink. And red. And bigger yellow. And smaller yellow. And medium yellow. Black. Green. More green, more green. So 3 different 3 different colors of green in different sizes, I should say. Same color, different sizes. And 3 silvers. Same color, different size. I guess these are more clear than silver. I want to call them silver because you can see the silver through, but I guess they're more clear than anything. But anyway, I think that's going to be absolutely adorable. What do you guys think? And he looks like the mallard ducks that we have around here. I'm just putting this back in the cake in here. So yeah, for under $3 Canadian, I have like a little full drill bubble thing. And I think it's going to be adorable. So cute. Now, where do people find little tiny square frames? I've checked the dollar store, and I wanted to get like square frames for my 30 by 30 inch diamond paintings, and they don't have anything that would fit. So I don't know. Where do you guys find frames for your 30 by 30s that don't cost a fortune? Let me know in the comments, okay? All right, guys, so that is it. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to do him. He's going to have to wait a little while. This might be a fun one to take out to camp with me in August, because there are ducks that come and visit me every day that are down by the water. So maybe I'll save this one for summer. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Notification bell. All of those good things. Leave your comments. Let me know if you've tried this one or not. And most importantly of all, you guys, take care. Stay safe. And happy crafting. Bye.